Welcome to a thrilling journey into the world of finance where we will explore the bustling, electric universe of the stock market. Just imagine walking down the iconic Wall Street surrounded by towering skyscrapers and the palpable buzz of traders. It's a world where money flows like a mighty river and the air crackles with anticipation. This, my friends, is the stock market. Now you may ask, what exactly is this stock market? Consider it a grand marketplace, a bazaar if you will, where ownership pieces of companies known as stocks or shares are bought and sold. When you acquire a stock, you essentially purchase a small segment of that company, and as the company prospers, so does the value of your little piece. Intriguing, isn't it? To simplify, picture yourself at a pizza party. The pizza is the company, and each slice is a share of the company's stock. The more slices you have, the bigger your share in the pizza, or in this case, the company. Why would anyone want to buy stocks, you might wonder? Besides the thrill of owning a piece of your favorite company, stocks carry the potential to significantly increase your wealth. Historically, the stock market has delivered higher returns than other investment avenues like savings accounts or bonds. But wait, before you dive headfirst into this world, remember that the stock market can be a fickle friend. Prices can rise and fall like a roller coaster with an inherent level of risk. Yet just like any roller coaster, the stock market has its thrilling highs and nerve-wracking lows. Sometimes the ride can be exhilarating, other times it can churn your stomach. But isn't that part of the adventure? Now, how does one step into this exciting world? The good news is, it's simpler than ever. Thanks to online brokers and investment apps, you can buy and sell stocks right from your smartphone. However, remember that knowledge is power. Take the time to understand the companies you're investing in. Don't blindly follow the crowd or chase the latest trending stock. Be patient, educate yourself, and make informed decisions. And there we are, a beginner's guide to the stock market. We've only just skimmed the surface. For more insightful tips, make sure to follow Profitify. Until next time, happy investing.